Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2014 Acura RDX oil light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the select/reset knob until the oil life displays, then hold the knob for 10 seconds. I explain each press and pause in a friendly, step-by-step way so you can follow along confidently. This method is simple and works reliably on 2000. In this video, I will explain how to reset the 2014 Acura RDX oil light. Prepare by parking level, engaging park, and turning the key to on without starting the engine, then ensure accessories are off. I'll remind you to wear gloves and clear any alerts that might block the oil life display. Follow these prep steps so the reset goes smoothly and you don't misread the dash. In this video, I will help you reset the 2014 Acura RDX oil light. With the key at on, use the select/reset knob to find the oil life percentage on the display, then press and hold the knob for about 10 seconds until it blinks and shows 100%. I'll note common pitfalls like releasing too early and how to repeat the sequence if it doesn't register the first time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.